Which investment banks are hiring right now, and in what sectors?
The where we've seen an interesting trend emerging, last year the big multinationals weren't hiring as much, and we're seeing that change now. And so if you look at some of the, some of the great names out there, like a Morgan Stanley, like a JP Morgan, like a UBS, you'll see these people have now stepped up their recruiting activity.
And how about private equity?
That's still modest. We're not seeing as much in the way of improvement there. But the kinds of jobs, different kinds of jobs, are both on what you might think of front office in terms of the investment side, but also some of the other activities like reporting and like administration, all those kinds of things.
So have a lot of the bankers that have been laid off, have they found work again? Is there a percentage that you can give me?
Yeah, well, some have and some haven't, of course. The overall unemployment rate in the financial services sector is about 7%, and that's certainly better than what we see overall in the country, but it hasn't changed all that much yet, so I think we're still a little bit early stage here.
Are you seeing a lot of movement based upon compensation and bonuses right now?
Well, what we're also hearing about is that firms are being pressed a little bit now to offer higher compensation levels. And we're also hearing about speed to hire being more of a factor. Candidates that are getting through and are successful and have skills in the right areas are now starting to have more opportunities than they did before. And so now firms are going to have to market themselves a little bit more aggressively and be quicker to act and to think about what the right kind of offer is for that candidate.